News that's coming in at the moment. There's a massive protest being done by the Aam Aadmi Party against the BJP in the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party netas gherao BJP's headquarters in the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party's protest against Arvind Kejriwal's CBI arrest. Visuals that you see on your screens are right outside the BJP headquarters on Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg in the national capital, barely few meters away from the ITO. And this is Aam Aadmi Party that is protesting right outside the BJP headquarters. Aam Aadmi Party leaders have gherao BJP's headquarters in the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party is protesting against Arvind Kejriwal's arrest done by the CBI. My colleague Milan Sharma is now joining us on the story. Milan, it seems like till the time Arvind Kejriwal is behind the bars, the Aam Aadmi Party will continue to protest against the BJP.
Well, Aishwarya, the call for the protest today is BJP Gherao, but I just want to show you that with multiple layers of security and barricading, and the Aam Aadmi Party saying that they want to breach these barricades and move towards the BJP is going to be impossible. You see that the Delhi police personnel has formed the first layer of security here. We have women officials also on the security, women officials from the Delhi police as well as the rapid action force.
लगे आरोप खारिज हो गए तो सीबीआई एक मनगढ़ंत केस लगा के आ गई। तो ये लगातार बस अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को किसी भी तरीके जेल में रखना चाहते। आज तक चवन्नी की रिकवरी नहीं हुई, और अगर हम करप्ट लोग होते तो भाजपा में शामिल होकर साफ हो जाते। देखिए, मामला कोर्ट में पेंडिंग है, पर ये ईडी और सीबीआई का दुरुपयोग साफ दिख रहा है, क्योंकि सीबीआई अब बिना किसी नए तथ्य के उन्हीं पुरानी कहानियों को घुमा कर दोबारा एक केस बना रही है। वो चाहते ही नहीं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जेल से बाहर निकले, तो इसलिए हम लोग आज सब इकट्ठा हुए हैं। हम डिमांड कर रहे हैं भाजपा से कि ईडी और सीबीआई का दुरुपयोग बंद करें, ये तानाशाही बंद करें।
Milan, you were speaking about the fact that there are Delhi police personnel present in large numbers. This right outside the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters. The Aam Aadmi Party obviously at the moment is looking at the fact that they want to make sure that somehow they reach the BJP headquarters, because the headquarters of both the parties are barely a few meters away.
Absolutely, Aishwarya. I just want to show you the length of the barricade, the height that has been put here. They are these tall barricades that have been installed here. These are not just ordinary ones. You can't really breach these barricades even if you try to. And with the rapid action force already in place, on the other side I want to show you that the Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas are waving flags and just waiting for the Delhi police to give them some sort of leeway to, maneuver from here. But I do not think that is going to be possible. We've spoken to the police officials. They have said that there is no permission to protest today. So this particular barricading has been done to lock off the entire area near the Aam Aadmi Party office. And from here you see that an attempt was being made by the Karyakartas to move forward, but the Delhi police is in no mood to let them move from here. This is the first layer of security, and from here onwards they would try to breach the barricades, and more security actions will be taken here. But clearly, Aishwarya, as you just pointed out, the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that first is the ED and then is the CBI, and there is constant witch hunt of Arvind Kejriwal that is taking place as alleged by the party. But the CBI has, its own investigations to do, as did the Enforcement Directorate. And you see the repercussions here. The Aam Aadmi Party has been protesting continuously on this particular issue. The senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party are on one side on the stage there. But it remains to be seen what happens of the issues in Delhi, because as the party keeps protesting, there are other issues that need to be sorted out as well, whether it's the issue of the water crisis. Look there. So one of the protesters is just being taken away right now by the Delhi police. He's been caught and he's been taken away. Some of the protesters are trying to once again breach the barricades here. So currently the police is all ready and all prepared. And there's some action happening here as well. If you could just, if I could just pan the camera and show you, the police as well as the protesters are once again in a flashpoint, and there is immense pushing and taking away of people that's currently going on. Look at that, Aishwarya. So we're showing you live images here of people being dragged by the Delhi police at the moment. They're being dragged away by the police personnel. These are Aam Aadmi Party karyakartas who are being dragged away from the protest site. So look at that. These are protesters that are being dragged away from the protest site right now because the police, as I said earlier, is in no mood to let the people breach the barricades here. So continuous action on your screens at the moment as the protesters become aggressive and the police begins to pick them up one by one and take them out from the protest site right now, in which you can see most of these protesters are Aam Aadmi Party workers who are male workers. There are female workers as well who are at the protest site right now, Aishwarya. But no sort of, pushback has been seen from the female workers at this moment. The police here on standby, as I said earlier, with batons as well as a tear gas gun as well as other equipment ready to control the entire situation on the ground. That remains tense at the moment there. Aishwarya, back to you in the studio.
Right, Milan, barely a kilometer away. That's the distance between the BJP headquarters and the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Both of them are situated on Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg.